Hello friends, welcome to the today I will tell you how to use and create account of Chat GPT. In the start of the video, I told you today I will tell you how to create account of Chat GPT. So carefully start to end, watch the complete video.
Friends, come on to the left screen. You can see the search is Chat GPT. Simply click on the first site. You can see the Chat GPT official website. So when you click on this website, so you can see the open the Chat GPT account, and here you can see all the information about it. So you can read about it and simply click on this button. Continue your Chat GPT account to create an account. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, please click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. So simply click on the sign button of Chat GPT. If you skip any part of this video, you cannot understand how to create an account. So be carefully and watch all the part of this video. So it is very easy and very important for you how to create of Chat GPT account. After that, I will tell you how to use of the Chat GPT account. Simple follow these steps to create your account of the Chat GPT with your Gmail account. So give your original information about yourself or other people, like your mobile number, your first name and last name, because it's your account on the people. Friends, I hope you are understanding all the part of this video. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me in the comment section. Now, after the confirmation of the Gmail account to the Chat GPT, here you type your full name, first and last name within the Chat GPT account. Now you can see the text about the Chat GPT. Where you can put your mobile number on your Chat GPT account. These information are very important for you to give your account for the Chat GPT. If you don't give this information, so it's difficult for you to remember. If you forget your password or anything, so you can recover from your email address or your mobile number. So be carefully give your mobile number which you have used, not others person of the mobile number, because it's your Chat GPT, not other people. Okay, friends, if you have any difficulty about it, so you can ask me in the comment section and we give you answer or create a video about. So it's very simple. The next video I will tell you how to use the Chat account.
You can see here I entered the code which I received from my mobile number, and then you can see the 32 page and open with the Chat GPT account. Here is the window of the Chat GPT. So if you have any difficulty about it, so you can ask me in the comment section. In the next video I will tell you how to use Chat GPT and your question clear in it.